Hello mga ka-vibes! It's me, Teacher M, and welcome back to my channel! Gaya nga ng ipinangako ko nung nakaraan, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol na sa problem solving involving operations on sets using Venn diagram. I-apply na natin lahat ng natutunan nyo mula sa sets hanggang sa operations on sets at i-apply natin ito in a real-life situation. So kung ready ka na, huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's begin! Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, huwag kalilimutang i-like, subscribe, and click the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga fresh at mga bagong-bago kong ina-upload na mga math tutorials. So the given problem is 100 students are surveyed on their preference in movies. Let the universal set equals all students. Set H equals students who like horror films. Set F is students who like fantasy. And set C equals students who like comedy. So kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng mga pangalan ng sets H, F, C ay nanggaling lamang sa katangian ng mga movies na preference nila. So horror, set H, fantasy, set F, and comedy, set C. Ngayon, sasagutin natin ang tanong sa pamamagitan pa rin ng Venn diagram. At given yung ating Venn diagram dito, find the number of students who like, number 1, horror films. So, ang tinatanong nga dito ay number of students or yung cardinality or number of elements dun sa hinahanap na set. So, horror films yung tanong, cardinality of set H yung hinahanap. So, yung mga elements na nasa set H are 4, 12, and 10. So, kailangan natin i-add lahat ng mga elements, lahat ng bilang ng elements na nasa set H, kaya ang makukuha nating sagot ay 26. So, therefore, 26 yung students na gusto yung mga horror films. Next. Yan. Paano naman natin isusulat? Sulat natin yung set notation. Cardinality, so kailangan merong small letter N, and then yung name ng set na tinatanong, set H. So, the cardinality of set H equals 26. Question number 2. How many or find the number of students who like comedy only? From the word itself, only. Walang ibang kasali, walang ibang set na hinahanap kundi comedy lang. So, therefore, the Venn diagram or the shaded portion here is 35 lang. Okay, so hindi kasali yung set H and set F. Paano natin ito isusulat sa set notation? So, the cardinality of the quantity set C minus the union of set H and set F equals 35. Set C, pero hindi kasali yung union ng set H and set F. Okay, now, let's proceed to question number 3. Find the number of students who like horror and fantasy. The keyword here is and. So, when we have and, we will use, okay, tandaan nyo yan pag and, ang gagamitin nating symbol or operation is intersection. Yan. So, ang intersection daw ng set H and set F is 12 and 10. So, 12 plus 10 equals 22. Therefore, 22 students like horror and fantasy. The cardinality of the intersection of set H and set F equals 22. How about question number 4? Horror or fantasy? Paano naman kapag ang keyword is or? Remember, kapag or yung keyword, automatic na ang gagamitin yung operation is union. Kukombine lang natin lahat ng bilang na nandun sa both sets, set H and set F. So, therefore, 54 students like horror or fantasy. And we write it using this notation. Number 5. Horror and comedy but not fantasy. Tingnan natin yung keyword. So we have and and but not. And intersection, but not is difference. Okay? So therefore, the set notation will be the quantity of the intersection of set H and set C minus F. Lahat ng nasa intersection ng set H and set C but not set F. Hindi kasali yung set F. And as you can see, this set is empty or what we call null set. The cardinality of the set of the students who like horror and comedy but not fantasy is written in this manner. So kung kapansin nyo, gumamit na tayo dito ng another grouping symbol para lang ma-emphasize natin yung groupings ng intersection of set H and set C, and the cardinality here is 0 kasi walang elements na kabilang dun sa tinatanong na set. Question number 6. Find the number of students who do not like horror. So the keyword do not like. So students who do not like horror, we will use the symbol yan, apostrophe, the complement of set H or H prime. So lahat ng nasa universal set maliban sa set H yung hinahanap. So ang shaded region ay yan. At para makuha yung sagot, universal set minus set H. Lahat ng nasa universal set maliban sa set H ang kasali. So, yung given na problem natin is 100 students yung sinurvey. Okay? So, ima-minus lang natin sa total ng set H. So, 4 plus 12 plus 10 equals 26. So, 100 minus 26 equals 74. 74 students do not like horror films. And we write it in this notation. The cardinality of H prime or the cardinality of the complement of set H equals 74. Question number 7. Find the number of students who like horror, fantasy, and comedy. Keyword. Yes, we have and we will use intersection. So the intersection of set H, set F, and set C is 10. As you can see in the shaded region. And last but not the least, find the number of students who do not like any of these three. Oh no! Students who do not like horror, comedy, or fantasy, from the word do not, yan. So, lahat ng nasa universal set, maliban sa union ng set H, set F, and set C. I-add muna natin yung number of elements ng set H, C, and F. So, we have 4 plus 12 plus 10 plus 35 plus 8 plus 20 equals 89. And after getting the sum, ngayon naman, isusubtract natin to from the number of elements in the universal set, which is 100. So, 100 minus 89 equals 11. It means 11 yung nasa universal set na hindi kabilang sa set H, set C, and set F. So, yun. Maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo. Ganun lang kadali. Sana nakatulong ang video na to. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, huwag kalilimutang mag-like. Please, paki-subscribe and paki-click na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga fresh at mga bagong-bago kong ina-upload na mga math tutorials. So maraming salamat sa pagsama. Laging tatandaan, bawal ang nega. Good vibes lang. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli. Till my next video. Bye!